Okay, in this segment, I want to talk a little bit about a horse that gets kind of hard on that inside rein. Some people call it bracing on that inside rein. And I have a little trick that seems to really work, and I've used it at the clinics helping people. Sometimes horses get bracing on that inside rein too much. If a rider's pulling too much inside rein, you know, maybe that horse's teeth got bad and they were kind of trying to protect themselves, or, you know, if that rider isn't giving that horse enough room around the barrel. So I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna work around this second barrel right here, and I'm gonna use a lot of outside rein and not much inside rein, and kind of show you how you could work your hands when you're doing a drill to get that horse. You want to get his nose collected, you want to get him broke at the pole. But I'm going to lope around right here, and I'm just going to drop this nose. I'm going to lope around, and you can see how this inside rein is more up and forward, and my outside hand is keeping her head really straight. And I just want to keep working her around here till she really starts to drop. Roll her back up. We don't want her hollowed out in the back. That's pretty good right there. So if you can lope around the barrels with the horse that wants to get a little bracy in the turns, just staying off of that inside rein and loping around, using outside rein. You can see just how I've been loping her around here. Boy, my horse got better doing this drill. Oh, we'll go the other way. And just know, I don't shoot for perfection. You know, she doesn't know exactly what I'm doing right now, but I just want to keep her kind of working on my side. But I'm just holding pressure with my outside rein back, straight back a little bit, and driving her into that outside rein. And she's pretty good. I'm just gonna ask her to stop. Back up a couple steps. I'm gonna go back around again, and I'll just work her again around that barrel. Going to the left. You can see how I've got pressure on my outside rein, driving her up in there, using my feet, both feet, driving her forward. I'm not using inside leg or outside rein. I was just using both my feet to drive her into the bit. So if you can kind of see a little bit about what I'm doing right there, of just holding that outside rein and driving them into it, and start teaching them to get off of that inside rein, that's huge, because a lot of riders feel their horses maybe on the backside of this turn. When they get a hold of that rein, their head comes up, or they'll brace on them. So it's good to try and figure out how to get off of that inside rein. And this is a great exercise to lope them around, to get off of that inside rein. And boy, they just really come right around. And you can see how still my outside hand is. I just can tighten it just a little bit when I need to. But that's a great drill to help that bracing on that rein.